All right, what is up, YouTube? Since I have a little bit of time, I'm going to go ahead and show you my Robinhood portfolio. I know a lot has actually changed since I last put up a video, but I thought I'd go ahead and put this one out here. So let's go ahead. CNBC is a pretty good website to use. Don't get discouraged from using it. I know you see a lot of people talking bad about CNBC and all this. It is. I would say it's a really good website to actually get some information from. So really don't be scared to actually do some research and understand exactly what's going on, because this is what gave me the idea of actually making over $400 on my options trading contract. So let's go ahead and go to exactly what I'm talking about here. So not to my account, maybe go to history. So let's see here. We bought a call. Let's see. We bought a call for the Nasdaq ETF, which is the triple Q. We bought one at 212, so which amounted to $212. And if we go back some more here, 3 more contracts. So we bought 3 at 241, so it cost us around about $700.23. And if we scroll up just a little bit more, we bought a contract again at 212, and that amounted me to go ahead and dump the contract at around $3.35. If we look at an options contract now for the triple Q, I think they're trading around 385 or 390 or somewhere around that range. Of course, I would have had a lot more money, but like I said, it's all about whenever you feel comfortable enough to go ahead and dump a stock. That's when you're good to go. So I felt comfortable enough with that profit, and I said, okay, let me dump the stock, let me get rid of it, and let me see exactly see what else. I would say, let me see what else can we do, and this is pretty much what it is right here. So basically, yeah. So let's go to the 1 year, because people are gonna think I spiked my account up by just putting more money in it. But as you see right here, roughly through the deposits and everything, started off with $2,900, just about roughly 3,000. And now we're at $4,000, so pretty much 33% profit, basically year over year, and that's pretty much how these returns are looking. So let's go ahead and let's look at it like this. We're up about 13%. Past 3 months, made about $482. 1 month, we're about $61, but I think it has to adjust, because you see right here, we were at $3,300, and now we're at $4,000. So I think it definitely just has to adjust whenever it gets time to adjust. And as you see right here, the past week we made over $300, and if we go to just the day within itself, we made just about over $400, and that's pretty much just using the options trading contract. So if we go right here, let's go to the triple Q right quick. I don't even use this this platform. I mean, not platform. I don't use this simulated trading account anymore. But the options contract was around, I think, the Nasdaq was right around these levels right here, 156, 158. And I said, okay, what I'm going to start doing, I'm going to start waiting for the options contract, or waiting for the end of the day to actually buy an options contract, because there's still a lot more volatility go on with that options contract. So basically, my bet was, or the options contract was, while the Nasdaq was below 160, I said, okay, I'm put $160 call, which means that I see the stock hitting $160. My expiration was May the 11th, so I have until May the 11th for this stock to go past 160, and eventually, it actually went past 160. I think my break even was around $162. But as you see right here, it made me pretty good money. I did about 49% return on the investment, just about. And as you see right here, the stock is just up 1%, 1.8%. But you go into the options trading contract, or the options market, people are doing 78%, 100%, 90%, things like, just things like that. So I'm definitely doing more experiments with the options trading contract. As you see, I'm making more money rather than actually, buying individual stocks, because the options contract is a lot more funner and it's a lot more volatile, and it does give you some wiggle room to actually make a lot more money. So we're going to keep doing these options contract. I'm not going to overload myself and trade more than one options contract at a time. But right now, this options contract kind of blew up on me, and I love that about that. So right now, we're just going to see exactly what the market is going to do. For now, we see the market trying to come up, but 10-year yield is getting ready to go past 3% once again. So this is why I'm kind of backing off of the market right now. Like I said, I went ahead and sold just because I was comfortable with the profit. So that's all I wanted to show you guys for right now. If anything else comes up, excuse me, I'm definitely gonna see exactly how can we profit from a situation like this. But like I said, the Nasdaq was definitely one way to go. When we had to sell off on the Nasdaq, well, basically whenever we had to sell off the past 2 days ago, I was like, okay, the contracts are about 40. I think it was like down 44%, and I was like, okay, it's a good time to buy the Nasdaq. I see it going past 160. The ETF, the triple Q, going past 160 easily. But before May the 11th or maybe at May the 11th. But that was just another easy call for me, so that way I can actually make big money off it. But like I said, options contracts are, like I told people before, I think I'll probably excel in the options contract market because I'm pretty good with the price targets and price points of different indexes and different stocks. So until we have something else come up, that's all I wanted to talk about. But I wanted to make sure that you guys see that I actually made about over $400. My account is up 12% today, just doing options contracts. So other than that, guys, that's all I have for you guys. So take care.